Hello, and welcome to Penguin Pals, presented by the Whaling Museum and Education Center of Cold Spring Harbor. Today, we're going to talk about penguins. A penguin is a type of bird. Penguins have feathers, beaks, and wings. But unlike most birds, penguins can't fly. Instead of flying, penguins use their wings as flippers to swim. Penguins swim together to hunt for fish. In this video, the penguins look like they're flying underwater. Penguins can dive up to 1,850 feet underwater, and they could hold their breath for almost 30 minutes. Penguins are social animals. Being social means living in a group and working with others to get things done. We're social animals too. Penguins are also good parents. In this video, two penguin parents protect their chick and egg from the cold Antarctic weather. They do so by putting them on top of their feet and keeping them warm in their pouch. After laying her egg, emperor penguin moms will pass the egg over to the dad. For 65 days, the dad takes care of the egg while the mom fishes for food. Baby penguins are social too. Chicks will form groups called a creche to protect themselves from predators. We're going to hear a story about a young penguin meeting other chicks and joining his first creche. And this story is called Little Chickie's Big First Day. Chickie's big day started as a beautiful spring morning. "It's time to get up," said Papa. "What are we doing today, Papa?" Chickie asked, flapping his wings excitedly. "Well," Papa said, "I am going fishing, and you are going to your first day of creche care." Chickie did not like this idea at all. "Can I go fishing with you instead?" asked Chickie as they waddled towards the flock. "I'm sorry, Chickie. You're too young to fish," said Papa. "But Papa, I don't want to go to creche care," Chickie sobbed. "I don't want you to go away." "I'm not going away forever, Chickie. I will be back by the end of the day," Papa said as he gave Chickie a hug. "Besides, look at all the other chicks here. I think you should try to make some friends." Chickie did not like that idea at all. Nanny Fluff watched over the chicks as they played games, but Chickie sat out. Chickie was feeling a lot of feelings and thinking a lot of thoughts while he sat by himself. "Why did Papa leave me?" Chickie thought. "All these other chicks are strangers. Will I have to stay here forever?" Suddenly, Chickie heard a voice from behind him. "Don't you want to play with the other penguins?" asked Nanny Fluff. "I want my Papa!" cried Chickie. As Chickie started to cry, one of the other chicks waddled over. "Hi, my name is Berdine. Do you miss your parents too?" asked the other chick. "Yes," sniffled Chickie. "It's the third time my mom brought me to creche care, and I still miss her sometimes," said Berdine. "But I learned playing with my friends helps me have fun even when Mom and Dad aren't here." You still have fun even when you miss your parents? Chicky asked. Yeah, come play tag with us, Birdine responded. Chicky was still a little sad that his papa was away. But Birdine was right. He did have a lot of fun playing tag with the other chicks. When Papa came back, he was surprised at how much fun Chicky was having. Papa, I don't want to leave creche care, Chicky declared as they went home. That's good to hear, because you're going back tomorrow, Papa chuckled. Chicky really liked that idea. Now it's time to make your own penguin chick puppet. So we're going to start by coloring in the different penguin pieces. Using a marker, or you could use a crayon or a colored pencil. You color it in however you want. We decided to go with gray to make it look just like Chicky. Then take some orange and color in your penguin's beak. And then you're going to choose a color and color in the hat. And then after that, you're going to do the scarf. Looking great. Once you're done coloring, you're going to cut out your penguin. Once you got your pieces cut out, you're going to cut out your egg. With all your pieces ready to go, we're going to take some glue and glue them together. Once you got your pieces glued on, you can now choose a pom-pom to add on top of your penguin's hat. And once you're happy with which color, you're going to glue that on too. Turning to the egg, we're going to fold it in half. Make sure that you flatten it out. And then we're going to glue only the side of the egg. You're not going to glue all the edges, you're just gluing the side. Make sure you press it down, and you're doing that so that way there's a hole for your penguin to go through. Once you see that your penguin fits nice and snug in the egg, you're going to take your popsicle stick and tape your penguin to your popsicle stick. And then you're going to put your little penguin in its egg, and there you go. There is your little penguin puppet. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good rest of your day. Come visit us at the Whaling Museum and Education Center of Cold Spring Harbor.